Hi everyone, my name is Stacy Wixall. I'm the director of Macedon Public Library, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on making this cute little take and make kit that will create a Celtic pendant, Celtic-inspired pendant. So the first thing you're going to do, obviously, open up your little baggie with all the different materials you'll need. You have a leather-like cord. You have a ring with a little hole in it. There are two small jump rings in the bag, and if you don't know what a jump ring is, it's the little silver rings that I'm holding in my hand. Let me see if I can. So those, you should have two of them. Okay, and this little Celtic knot burnt into the wood pendant. So you could go ahead and use pliers if you need to open the little jump rings. However, in order to make sure that they would fit through the little holes I've lasered into the wood, these are quite thin and quite easily pliable with your fingers. So what I do, I look for the seam in the jump ring, and I just, like I always say, like a saloon door, you're gonna pull one side toward you and one side away from you. So one going each direction. So I'm gonna do that, and then it opens. You don't want to open your jump rings like this because that's not good for them and they will be weak and break. So once you have it open like that, you're gonna put one in, and then you're gonna do the same thing again with the other one. I'm butterfingers today. I keep dropping things. Okay, so I've gotten it in my hands, finding the little seam, and I pull one toward, one away. There we go. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. And I'm going to put that one in. Well, actually, I'm going to take the Celtic knot, and I'm going to put the ring on that. I'm going to lift up my big ring that has the other jump ring already in it. And I got to think about this a little. I want to dangle this from the big ring. So if you have a preferred side of the ring, you want to dangle it so the back, the side you don't want seen when you're wearing it, is on the back, and your knot shows to the front. This is the tricky part a little bit. You feel like you're all fingers when you do it, but you got to get the ring into the little hole with the other ring in there too. So you got two rings coming out of one little hole. You're going to close your jump ring back up that has the pendant on it. And I'm just using my fingers, and I'm carefully swinging it shut. So then it looks like this. Now I left the other one open, so it looks like that. I left the other one open just because it makes it easier to get it on the cord. So I'm just going to put the cord in there and then swing it shut like a saloon door, like that. And that's all there is to it. You have your nice pendant hanging on the cord. And you know what I see? I don't like the side that I put faced out. So I can come in and open the jump ring. I'm not going to make you watch me do that again. But if you do get a side facing out that you don't like, just open your ring up again and just do it over again so that it faces the right direction. The one thing I want to say, you can wear this completely natural. If you like it as it is, it's good to go. You could take some nail polish. You could just, if you wanted a little shinier, you could put some clear coat on there. Maybe if you wanted a little color, a little green on this circle, you could use green nail polish, green acrylic paint, even a green Sharpie. It's all up to you how you want to do that, but certainly just natural like this, it's quite attractive. So that's my tutorial. This is probably one of the easiest jewelry projects we've done, and I hope you enjoy it and wear it in good luck on St. Patrick's Day. Bye.